Hello and welcome to the Solar Yacht. We are today in this beautiful house in Berlin because the best part of the house is the backyard. Come, let's check it out together. Hello and welcome to the Solar Yacht. Today we are in Berlin aboard this huge solar yacht of 140 square meters. Check the size, it's huge. They even have a fireplace here. And come and check this kitchen that has Gaggenau home appliances. You don't see the appliances. Beautiful finishings. A big fridge. And check how we open this dishwasher. Easy like that.
Morning sun shines bright in the skies. With a smile we wake and rise. Happiness blooms like a surprise. Laughter echoes, your spirits rise.
The Solar Yacht is available for charter and exclusive events.
Goes inside with eager eyes. Step by step we claim our
And here is the guest bathroom
joy we realize.
with blue tiles. Perfect size, beautiful. What do you want more than this? And now it's time to show you the bedroom of this huge solar yacht with 140 square meters. It's right here in the front of the boat, a huge space that gives access to the bathroom.
With courage and dreams we thrive. Laughter's music keeps us jive. In the now we choose to dive.
The most special thing is this view with this huge front terrace.
Smiles wide like the world's embrace. Every frown leaves.
And let me know, what do you think?
Our next Solar Yacht video, it's all about the Solar Yacht 140 event boat, joining the biggest floating event and anchor maneuver in Germany.
We're going to the biggest anchor maneuver in Deutschland.
The biggest anchor maneuver turned into the biggest boat party in Germany.
Die Party geht weiter.